The circle? What's cracking, everybody? It's your boy Kid Fresh. We're out here with another banger. We left the spot like 30 minutes ago and the cops are barely coming in hot. Look, this is the fourth one. We make it to the location right now and people are already burning out the spot. We're out here with the famous boxer himself. Better than Ryan Garcia. Better than Ryan Garcia. Jacob in the house! Hey, fuck it up! Dip. We got the cops. People are blocking. Okay. We got the track stars back here. No track stars! Damn. They literally made a border. We're out here in Mexico right now. We're out here in Mexico. They created a border. You got the code. Take us, save the code. Alright guys, so we made it to the third location. They're already doing ratchet activities and I love it. Damn, I like this Mustang. What's up? What's up, Blake? What's up? That cop's coming in hot right now. Oh, he's doing push-ups in front of the cop car. Welcome. Oh! Yeah! Helicopters are coming in right now. Damn, the cops ain't playing around right now. Damn. What are you gonna do to the cops when you see them? Oh, hell no, they're going on top of a random car. Hydraulics.
Nomás van a dar vueltas.
Dale, ¿dónde?
Nomás van a dar vueltitas.
Pues qué, ¿a dónde? Métese para adentro, oiga. Métese para adentro, métese. Oh, get out the pit. Saque los chihuahuas. That guy from the truck is somewhere in there. I don't know where he's at. Oh, there he is. I think he's high or drunk. I don't know what's going on. Buenas noches, oiga. Buenas noches. Helicopters, the cops should be here any minute right now. Taking over the intersection right now. We got chopper in the sky. Great time. Oh! fresh vlogs right here. They're dropping a bridge. I have never seen that before.
What the fuck?
God damn.
What the?
Looks like a Call of Duty map or something like some zombie. Yeah, that's my boy Fabi right there. Somewhere in there, baby girl's taking a wild piss. The spot's over here. Hurry up, cochina. Hey, after you're done peeing, twerk it off. Gross. Oh, hell yeah. Keep it going. The Central's going wild. I'm in a secret mission right now because I have beef with this cone right here.
Where you at?
If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like and subscribe and become a part of the King Gamer. Let's go. Never ride a scooter when you're drunk, because this will happen. And this will happen. Smiley face. Oh, my scar! We got the cops. They're dipping. He's gone, and they're making the Mexican borderline right now. I like it. I like it. Blockers for the win, guys. God damn. Yeah, so we just pulled up to the spot right now. There's already a tow truck ready, and we have the Orange County fucking fire department right here. Tow truck, te toca. Your turn. The fire department didn't even bother to come out. The neighbors didn't even bother to come out. Yeah.
Hey, what time is it?
Okay, they're sleeping, but you don't think all this is gonna make them? Look at the time.
I just want to plug too. I want to plug.
Oh, he wants to plug the box. I like the wallpaper. Oh hell no! Look, the 3 cops that came in, they're doing push-ups in front of the cops right now. The cops are getting up. The cops are getting up.